In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit Calendly landing page. By the end, you'll have your Calendly events booking page updated with the right title, description, location, and an optional logo so invitees see exactly what they need before scheduling. First, open Calendly. In your browser, go to Calendly and make sure the app is open on your account's dashboard or home screen. You should see your scheduling options and recent activity. Next, go to event types. From the main navigation, click event types to view all the events you offer. This is where each event's landing page, also called the booking page, is managed. Now, select the event you want to update. Find the event card for the meeting you plan to change. Click it once to select it. You'll be taken to that event's overview where you can access its settings. Click Edit. Look for the Edit button on the event and click it to open the editing view. This opens the configuration area where you control what invitees see and how the event works. Open Booking Page or Customize. Inside the editor, locate the section labeled Booking Page or Customize. Depending on your layout, you might see it in a left-hand menu or as a tab within the editor. Click it to open the appearance and content settings for this event's landing page. This section controls what displays at the top of the booking page and how details are presented to invitees. Edit the title, description, and location. Click into the title field and type the exact name you want visitors to see at the top of the Calendly landing page. Keep it clear and specific so invitees immediately recognize the purpose of the meeting. Next, update the description. Use a short, helpful summary that explains what the meeting covers, any preparation the invitee should do, and what will happen during the call. This text appears on the booking page beneath the title and helps reduce back and forth questions. Now, adjust the location. Click the location field and choose the option that fits your event, such as a physical address, a phone call, or a video conference provider. If you're entering a physical address, type it carefully so invitees can find you easily. If you're using a call or video link, ensure the correct details are selected or entered here. Taking a moment to confirm the location prevents confusion later. Upload a logo if you'd like to brand the page. Look for the option to upload a logo within the booking page or customize area. Click Upload Logo, then choose an image file from your computer. A square image usually fits best. Wait for the upload to finish and confirm the preview looks clean and readable against the page background. If you don't see the logo option, continue without it. This step is optional. Save changes. When you're done updating the title, description, location, and logo, click Save. Watch for a confirmation message or check that the Save button is no longer active. Your edits are now applied to the event's booking page. If you ever need to adjust these details again, return to the same booking page or customize section and repeat these steps. At this point, your Calendly landing page for this event is fully updated. Invitees who open your scheduling link will now see the new title, the revised description, the correct location, and your logo if you added one. Everything is saved and ready for use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.